Hi everyone. This is just a short video to help you if you have questions or need a little more direction on how to access our quick write activities and then also to submit them. So when you're on this slide within your Wednesday agenda, and this is slide 5, you're going to go ahead and click on Quick Write Assignment on Canvas. That's step 1. So go to your Quick Write Assignment on Canvas. So I'm going to click on it and it'll bring me here. If I go back to my directions, step 2, access the Quick Write Journal by clicking on your period. So when I go, I'm going to click on period 1 and that will bring me directly to the assignment. This is on the teacher side, so you can see a picture of the assignment and then I have the directions for what you need to do. If I go over here, and this is an example student side, Mrs. Owens and I pretended to be students for each other. I can see that Mrs. Owens has shared the assignment with me, so I'm going to click on it. And then right here, when I go in, there is the Google assignment that I want to do with my Quick Write. So I'm going to click on it. It'll say your work, and it says assigned. You go ahead and click on it, and it'll open it up for you. Go ahead and write your name, and then I'm going to pretend that I'm in period 1. I'm going to add that. And so if I look back at the directions, then I will see, okay, complete the first Quick Write names. That means when I go back here, I want to go to the table of contents, which is slide 5. I'll click on Quick Write 1, names, and then I'm going to go ahead and read the passage. And right here, I can write anything that I want to write about with my name. Once I'm done, let's say I write a little bit about my name. Once I'm done, what I want to do is share it. So I'm going to click share, and then I'm going to click copy link. Done. And once I've done that, I am going to go back to the assignment, and you guys will have the submit button or the reply button. And what you want to do is type, like it says in the directions right up here, I did it, and share the link of your digital notebook. So you would click paste and then you would submit it. So I did it. Make sure that you've gone, and I'll do it one more time. Once you have your digital notebook, you've written down everything that you wanted to, whatever you want to write. And remember to look at these prompts. You can answer any one of the questions. You're going to go to share, copy the link, and what I'd like you to do is go back to the assignment, type I did it, paste the link, and then up in the corner there will be the submit button. Then you'll be done. 5 is watching this video, so you've either already watched it or you've submitted without watching it. If you have any more questions, feel free to email. If anyone, for any reason, has not joined a Google Classroom, you need to do that so that you can automatically have the Quick Write Journal made for you. So please make sure you do that before you start these steps. All right, have a great Wednesday, and I look forward to reading about your names.